Yeah. Yeah. Vishwateja has come here. Very good. Vishwateja has come. Ragul Srinivas also has come. Good. Vishwateja, you said you have experience of working in some place. What is that work experience? Can you tell? Because some more people may join us. You please speak. Vishwateja.
Sir,
Sir, even I have a doubt in GD, sir.
Yeah. What is the doubt?
Sir, like previous topic you told about digitalization. So is it mandatory that a person should only stand on a thing? Like if I stand on a disadvantage, should I only stand on disadvantage, or can I both stay on the both the sides?
So actually, the normal rules of a GD is you should take a stand and talk about it. But in this type of
Okay.
mini GDs, it is okay for you to talk both for and against. But you are going
Okay.
to speak for half a minute only. There may not be time available for you
Okay.
to talk on both sides.
Okay. Okay.
Take only one stand. That is good.
thank
Yes,
you, sir.
sir.
Yeah,
Can I start my sir?
Yeah,
Ah,
Vishwateja. Tell me.
sir, I'm my BTech. After completing my engineering, I joined Sirpur Paper Mills as apprentice.
Mm,
As apprentice, the program was held for 1 year, duration of 1 year.
mm,
After completing apprentice, I joined Hira Enterprises, which is a production company.
mm,
Calcium powder, we
mm,
say white cement.
mm,
Generally, we call it as white cement.
mm,
Here, the major role was maintenance of the role was shift in charge. The
mm,
major role, what I responsibilities were maintenance of kiln section. There is a rotatory kiln
mm,
in which chemical process will take to burn the
mm.
uh, raw materials to produce outcome. Uh,
1 minute, 1 minute.
okay, okay, okay.
You good pen. This is very good pen. Mm. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
Hira,
Acha, did we talk earlier, Vishwateja? Mundu మాట్లాడమా మన
no, sir.
ఇది
లేదు, sir. This is the first
this
time. First time.
first time we are talking. Acha, acha. Very good.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we will continue later on. Now Nishant has
Okay,
come.
sir.
Nishant has come now. Nishant, okay, we will start with Nishant on this first question. How will tell me an incident where you have convinced a person, where you have convinced a person? Naveen, sorry, not Naveen, Nishant. Nishant, please tell me about an incident where you convinced the other person. And you know, that girl gave me a very good answer. She attended the interview 2 days back. And in that interview, when she was given this topic, she recollected from her experience and she told, it seems she told, I had a cousin brother who died at the age of 27 and his wife was dejected so much such that she was not coming out of the house, she was not attending office. Then I talked to her to convince her that she cannot remain like this, but she should attend office. And she started attending office and she was able to do well. She was able to do well after that. And I convinced her about that, she said. Naveen?
It's a nice one, sir.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Uh,
Yeah. Vishwa?
it's a good one.
Yeah.
Sir, when it comes to my point of view,
Hmm.
till now I didn't convince anyone. But
You
till now,
you can't say so.
no, sir. Generally, I'm saying,
Hmm.
but I'm sharing the experience what I was gone through SBI in exam. They have given a para. I still remember that para, and I will explain that one only.
Hmm.
A girl, Radhika, is there. Radhika is asking for to give mobile to purchase mobile phone as her mother was.
Please unmute. All of you, you can unmute. But if it creates noise, you can stop it. Naveen, Ragul, and others. Now you wait till your turn comes. Vishwateja, continue.
Sir, Radhika is my neighbor's daughter,
Hmm.
and due to pandemic, the classes were held on online, and our mother was super protective. She thinks if after giving her a mobile phone at this age, she might get addicted to online games or some other sort of extra things. At that time, they asked my suggestion. I have responded in a good manner. I said that cell phones are constantly improving, but at present, due to pandemic, as on the major goal is her education, we have to give an opportunity. And her father was also supportive with my decision. So we have gone through. This is what I'm saying. In as we have only 60 seconds.
Yeah, we have to speak within that.
As we have only 60 seconds, this is the data.
Yeah, good.
I'm done.
Yeah, good. Excellent. Now we will go to Ragul. Ragul, can you speak?
Sir, okay, sir. Like, I need to answer about any experience that I have convinced anyone.
You don't have experience.
Sir,
you can't say so.
No, I'm asking you, sir. What's the question, sir? Like,
question is,
I need to share that. Okay.
The question is convincing others.
Yeah. Okay. That's all. Like, okay, the answer I'm going to say is like somewhat a controversial, but I think I need to say because like I have an experience of my one of my cousin sister. Like, actually, like what happened is like she fell in love actually with some other person, but what actually I gathered and my family members gathered is like okay, that person is like not what to say, not apt for her, not comfortable because he made based on his history, work history and other history. So like his records and his code of conduct was not proper. So based on that, we convinced her like, okay, if he's not proper. Also, we also have some incidents like he is not proper in behavior. So we slowly and patiently, like me and my mom, like together, like patiently just confronted with her because she told that he's not the app for you and you won't be happy and your parents won't be happy. So just feed your parents. That's the only incident, sir.
Sufficient. Good. Ragul, I think I must have told you yesterday also. You are speaking too much.
Okay.
You have to reduce. Please remember. Yeah. Now we will go to Nishant. Nishant Galaxy, can you speak? Please
Yes, sir.
Tell me an incident where you convinced other person.
Yes, sir. I am on a job of a sales officer for Sahyadri Farms. So on a daily basis, I have to be convinced my customers for my products. So I do it very well on a daily basis. So I will share you those some experience. So my company has to be vegetable and we are retailers. We have to be sell the products and daily got more and more earning daily basis. So I will go every morning to the customers and I'm uh, telling about the what is the benefits you get if you taken products from me, and I also whatever it may take I will do for the selling. I will convince him by the so sentiments. I will tell him about the economical point of view. If my product was also uh,
Mm.
more price than other price, then I will also be able to be sell them just because of contact and just because of the daily basis talking. I'm told him I'm is like your son. If you are I'm your son, then you not taking from me that light, sir.
Acha, acha. You will be impressing on them like that.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Thank you,
yes,
sir.
yes, yes. Very good. Now, who else has come now? Shiva has come just now. Shiva has just now come. Shivaji, yeah. Shivaji, we were discussing on this topic about experience of having convinced others. Do you have anything to share on that? Naveen, I think your sound system is not working. Acha, now it's okay now, Naveen. No.
Sir, I had
Yeah,
faced one incident, sir.
yeah. Now can
During
you?
COVID situation,
Yeah.
sir. During COVID situation, my neighbor died, sir. Uh, his wife is in a depressed situation. I convinced her to join in coaching institute for government education.
Mm,
First of all, she refused to join. Now she's studying in coaching institute in Chennai, and she is very happy now because I explained what is the benefit of government examination and what are the benefits you will get, and so many things. Now she is feeling very happy and preparing for the examination. That is the thing I couldn't forget, sir, in my life.
Very good. That's really nice. Good, good, Naveen. Shiva, do you have any experience to share?
So, may I know the question, sir?
The question is, tell us about an incident where you convinced the other person.
Okay.
Here,
Yes, sir.
Naveen was telling about an incident where he could convince a person who lost her husband to continue with
No.
studies. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now you tell
Okay,
your own
sir.
experience. Different people told different
Okay.
experiences. Yeah.
Okay. I want to share my experience in recent time only, sir.
Mm.
So, previously, I working in a banking sector in HDFC, sir. So, in the COVID situations,
Which bank?
so all of the
HDFC.
yes, sir.
Oh,
Yeah.
great, great, great.
So actually, I said already to you, sir. First section only. Nishant batch.
Mm-hmm.
Shivasai Kumar.
Mm-hmm.
So in that banks, what happens, sir? All of them are affected by the COVID, sir. In my colleagues. So in that I have done. I am taking any. They are not giving any leave also. So because all of them are absent. So I am only the handling all the operations. So means in that I am very worried about myself. So I am convinced to my parents that I will resign my job and start preparation for the bank examinations.
Good.
So I am convinced to my parents, and they have agreed.
Acha, in the previous bank, HDFC Bank, did you not undergo this diploma program and all earlier?
No, sir.
No, it was not there. Very good. Fine.
No.
Now
Okay.
everybody has spoken about their experiences. Vishwateja also has told. Now the next question they asked was, tell us about the long-term goal you have. Of course, this robotic interview is no elimination, but still I'm giving you a practice. Tell us about the long-term goal you have. We will start with Vishwateja.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
As my background was somewhat difficult to live in at the start of earlier days of my life, I decided to provide at least 10 students till they complete their graduation. Their all expenditures will be borne by me. This is my career, long-term career goal. Apart from this, I don't have any goals. The major career goal is to at least educate 10 people. After seeing some, not some, recently I saw Surya's movie. After that, I totally fixed it in my mind. Yeah, I have to, I should, I will.
Good. Excellent.
Long-term
Mm.
goal was that one only, sir. I'm done.
Long-term goal. That is only that much. But
No, sir. We can create and say anything, but we have only 60 seconds time, and we have to give some impact.
Mm.
So we have to choose some answers like this only.
Yeah, it's okay. Nice, no problem. We will go to the next person. After Vishwateja, we will go to Ragul Srinivas. Ragul, please speak out. Ragul, long-term goal.
Hello everyone. Yeah, is it audible?
Long-term
Hello,
goal.
is it audible, sir?
Now tell me, it's not so audible, but okay.
Okay, right. Actually, my long-term goal is like at least at the age of.
Ragul, where are you? You are staying in Chennai?
Like should find many sources to generate income.
Ragul, where are you? From where are you speaking?
Actually, I'm inside the train, sir. Actually, I'm traveling. So
then it is okay. Then it is okay.
The
Then you don't have to speak. Just listen only. No problem. Now we will go to Shiva. Shiva,
okay,
you please tell. Shiva, you please tell what is the long-term goal? Shiva.
So okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
In my point of view, sir, after the clearing of my examination of the banking, sir. So after that, I want to do any charitable trust, like a donation of some amount to help the poor peoples in rural areas or wherever they.
Good.
So we make one group to that start one charitable trust to help. In the pandemic situation, though all of them are lost their some dependents. So we have to support them by giving some motivation to that and financial support to that also.
Good. That's right. But then for this question, what is your long-term goal? The best answer would have been, I would like to qualify myself in examinations in banking, then try to get promotion and rise up to the level of executive.
Okay, sir.
And sir,
along with that, you can say, after that, along with that, I will try to start a charitable trust.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That would have been a better thing. Why don't you try now? Please try. Try this way. That is, I would like to take up, say, programs or examinations which will enrich my knowledge so that I get promotion and also I rise up to the level of executive. And along with that, I will also form a team of members so that we can start a charitable trust to help poor people.
Okay. Okay, sir. I will try it. So after my preparation, after I getting a bank examination job, after my clearing the bank examinations,
otherwise,
in that I
change it like this. After joining the bank.
Okay. After joining the bank, so I started my long-term goal. I started my I started my support to the poor people to make a.
No, wrong. After joining the bank, I will study for JAIIB, CIIB exams, try to qualify, equip myself so that I can get bank promotions easily and I will become an executive. Along with this, I will also form a group members along with me and try to form a charitable trust for helping the poor. It doesn't matter. You plan it afterwards. Now you can't say because in your mind only this charitable trust is there. You are not able to change your stand. Doesn't matter. We will go to Naveen.
Okay, sir, I will.
You try afterwards. Naveen, you come. Naveen.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
sir.
Naveen, what is your long-term goal?
Sir, I would like to I would like to go to in higher position in the organization where I try to prepare. So after becoming that position, I would like to help the people who are in rural places, particularly for their education. I will work for that, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. You can as well say organization. You don't have to say bank. You are trying for a bank job only.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Say bank.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Very good. Nishant, are you there? Would you like to say something?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My long-term goal be like I want to be just upgrade myself by daily basis. I want to be learn things from the natures and environment and upgrade my knowledge and my activities daily by day basis. And also my goal is the becoming an important asset for the bank, like a federal bank. And I want to be the part of the bank which daily basis a improvement through myself and growing my new ideas to build up my organization where I work.
Good, nice. Now, I don't know whether you people were there when we were discussing this topic. You have an opportunity to join a corporate firm. If you join a corporate firm, you may get a very good salary, but you may not be able to equip yourself knowledge-wise. On the other hand, if you join a startup firm, your salary may be 50%, but you will have opportunities for learning new things. Which one would you like to prefer? This is the last discussion. So if at any stage the Zoom stops, it will be over with this. If you want to talk to me or clarify some doubts, you can come through WhatsApp. Yeah. Now to start with, this is the GD topic. Maybe we have already taken it earlier. Doesn't matter. Please try to contribute your views nicely. I would like Rahul to start. Rahul cannot talk now because he is traveling. I would like Shiva to talk and tell about it 1 minute. Yeah, Rahul, you want
I will talk, like I'm not currently. I can't. Not currently. Like I think next stage is coming, so I think it may have my signal will be available. So I will.
Please tell. Please tell which one will you join, corporate firm or a startup?
No, sir. I will talk at after. Let other person be talk, sir. Let other be. So I will talk later, sir.
Later, Shiva, please tell me.
Yes, sir. So I go with the startup, sir. So in that startup, sir, in my point of view, if I join earlierly with a good startup, so I will getting a more experience in that to learn many things from that instead of getting a high salary, sir. So after getting a knowledge and experience in that startup, sir, I will make a good grade, means good experience. I will try to other company which will be top MNC company. So after getting that opportunity, which will be useful for after getting experience, sir.
Good.
So I will go with startup.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. You talk very briefly and to the point. Vishwateja.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I partially agree with Shiva. I'll go with corporate salary only. Why I partially agree with Shiva is in 100 startups, only 1% is getting succeeded out of 100. This is due to we can take an example of Paytm or Nykaa, whatever the companies recently came to the initial public offers. A number of companies were there. They were failed. Apart from these only, they have a good vision. They took vision at right time. Then only the startup will get succeeded. If I'll get startup, if I'll get a idea without knowing anything, without knowing a good vision on that one long terms, then startup will be a failure. Apart from this, the corporate salary gives me income, but I want expand my skills. I can do on free time whatever I get.
Very, very good. This is a new way of
I can do whatever I get on the free time.
Excellent.
I can after the evaluation of Geo, I particularly point why Geo means after evaluation of Geo, online courses are there. For the courses providing online, let's say we are discussing in Zoom. This is because of Geo only.
Correct. No, one thing, Teja,
If any,
every time you are using the word Geo.
Sir, okay. Next time I won't repeat it. I am preparing. I'm preparing the question and answers here.
Just joking. Just joking. And when you go for some other person meeting, also you will always say Geo.
No, sir.
Good. Naveen, can you tell some points on what is your this corporate firm or?
So able to say, sir, because currently signal is okay.
Signal is good. Please speak,
And
Ragul.
Rahul, sir.
Yeah, Ragul.
Yeah, okay. Like I agree with Vishwa Teja because even I tend to join in a big corporate firm. Because like if you take there is a difference between Google and a startup. Like Google has its own reputation, and and definitely like a well product based company also even has a more chances of learning than a startup. Startups have only hardly a 0.1% to offer. So, like, I would like to quote one example. It's a hire, it's a bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Even at the age of 55, she is an entrepreneur. She's the owner, CEO of Nika Products. So, only after working in a high-paying, good position in a bank, she gained the entrepreneur skill apart from that. So, of course, like I will join a corporate where a lot of good environment will be there. So my stand will be in joining in a corporate. Thank you so much, sir.
Good, Naveen.
Sir, my point of view, I will prefer to join in corporate sector, sir, because financial, according to my financial situation, I would like to prefer that only, sir, because somebody having knowledge very well, talent very well, but financially they will not well, sir. So if they plan to start up an organization, basically there will not be any good quotes there. So according to financial situation, the preference will be given to the joining corporate, sir.
Super. Next, Nishant. Good. Very brief. Good. Nishant.
My motive about it, sir, you have the skill, you can get various opportunity and even much better opportunities. And if I go through the startup, I can enhance my skill, and that skill might be helpful for me alone. So I would go with the startup. I can develop myself there, and there is more hurdles come in my path, and I'm learning from that, and I'm much tough guy, and I'm more strong guy than any corporate firm. If I get the fulfillment of in my skill, then I can got various opportunity, and I can also develop my startup to the organization where I can join before, like corporation. I can give the all of other employees to be job at my firm.
Good. Nice. So all
Sir,
of
I
you.
would like to add. I would like to add 2 points. When it is a corporate, already everything is established. Venture capitalist, portfolio management, VC firms, interns, all things are already established. When we go for startups, raising funds became major problem. Promoters, we have to choose promoters. It's a major problem. So idea might be good, but fundraising at proper time is major point in startups.
Okay. So thank you so much, boys. And I have other commitments also. Like I have to go for that IBPS, RRB. Some 2-3 people I have given some word today. I'll go and talk to them and complete it. You all contributed very well. So which is the date of interview for Shiva?
Sir, Friday, sir.
Okay. Vishwa Teja?
On 19th at noon, sir. At noon, 12 o'clock.
Okay. Naveen?
So Friday evening, 6:15 p.m., sir.
Okay. Nishant?
It's tomorrow, 12:45 p.m.
Oh, Baba. 12:45 p.m. tomorrow itself. So by the time I come online, you would have completed the interview. Then Rahul,
Yes, sir.
Rahul,
Sir, mine's on 19th at 12:45.
Okay. So that means what happened?
12:45 p.m.
Other things remaining constant. Tomorrow at 6:20, I will come in Zoom in the same ID. Some boys and girls from Maharashtra will join. You can also come and join in that so that we can have some discussion. 6:20.
Okay, sir.
6:20. Okay, thank you.
Thank
And
you so
Sir,
much.
hello,
now-
sir.
And
now-
quite helpful.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have query, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you suggest anything? So my GD is tomorrow 12:45.
Yeah,
What
you
should
are
I do
you
in
are
that time?
you are answering very well, no problem. Utilize the 30 seconds time they give you properly and answer, and without a repetition of ideas, and don't struggle in talking. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Best
Wish me luck and bless me, sir.
best wishes, blessings, and good wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Tomorrow 6:40, I will post it in our
Correct.
Federal Bank group, its Telegram group itself, so that all of you can come 6:20 to 7, then again 7 to 7:40, whatever it is. We will complete with that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Instead
Thank
of
you, sir.
doing like this. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
And
Bye.
quite
Bye.
helpful.
Thank you.
you.
Thank you, sir.